Jason Stahl with Babcock's Media, and we're at the 2025 SEMA show, checking out the floor, checking out new products and innovations and tools and equipment, and we've hit the jackpot. Here at BendPak, they have a lot of new products and prototypes that you're not going to see anywhere else. And we are so in luck today. We have Sean Price, who is the Director of Product Development, to tell us a little bit about all of your products. First off, I want to know about this monster behind us, this two-post lift with 8 arms.
Yeah, we're constantly innovating here at BendPak. So our primary goal is to figure out efficiencies, right? So we want the equipment to work harder for our customers. It's a world's first two-post lift with 8 arms. So we got 12,000 pound capacity on the primary arms. We have 6,000 pound capacity on the auxiliary arms. And it's got a pendant controller as well to make it a little bit easier to actually work the lift, while you're getting everything set up.
Tell me what this lift can do that others can't.
We're seeing the biggest interest is coming from cab off operation. So you have most of the major OEMs are doing cab off. If there's something that has to be done on the engine, the transmission, the cab's coming off. Something like this makes it a lot quicker, easier, and more importantly, safer to be able to actually operate that cab off operation. Not only that, but there's options for pulling subframe assemblies out of the bottom. There's options for taking batteries out of the bottom of EVs or reinstalling batteries under the EV. It's basically anything that needs to come out from underneath the vehicle. Those auxiliary arms come in and provide that support to make it a lot quicker, easier, and safer for the techs.
Sean, you were telling me about the advancements in your wheel surface equipment too. Tell me about this.
Yeah, so one of the things that we're going to be launching soon is our leverless kit. So it's a leverless de-beader, tire de-beader, that can be put on any of our tilt-back machines. So our changers already have a bunch of accessory arms and everything, keep everything down the drop center, simplify it, make it safer. This leverless de-beater kit, it just makes it so easy. Instead of struggling with a tire iron, you hit a button, finger goes down, grabs the bead, lifts it up, rips it around. It makes it so quick and easy. So you look at the time frame of getting a brand new employee, getting them up to speed on being safe, not only with themselves, but safe with your customers' tires and rims, which are really expensive. So if you already have a tilt back, then this is an optional kit that you can buy from us. Or if you're ordering a new tire changer tilt back, then you can add this into it.
So Sean, your wheel balancer equipment, any changes there?
Yeah, we do. We got a couple changes. So when you think about really high-end wheels that have a really polished finish or powder-coated finish, you don't want anything touching the outside of that wheel and scratching it. So there's nothing worse than a customer coming back and saying, you scratched my wheel, right? So these flange plates, when they come in and apply the pressure and clamp this wheel and tire into the balancer, it's pushing from the lug nuts to make sure that it's perfectly squared, centered, and it's always going to protect the finish of the wheels themselves. And it's going to be available for any of the balancers that we have currently or any that we've sold in the past.
And I also want to ask you about this guy back here, this two-post lift. What's going on here?
Yeah, that, you know what, I think I should probably save something for my marketing department so I don't get in trouble. So I think I'll keep a tight lip on that one.
Okay, Sean. Well, thank you for your time today. And what a great booth. And I hope the SEMA show and the SEMA crowd comes here and checks out your new innovations and your prototypes. This is amazing.
Thanks,
Thank you
Jason,
for your time.
Really appreciate it, man.
For more information about what's new with BendPak, visit BendPak.com.